Hello students, in this video we will discuss about representation of rational numbers on the number line. How to represent the rational numbers on the number line. As you know that what is the number line? Means a line on which we represent the numbers, then that type of line is known as number line. Now here we want to represent rational number on the number line. As in the previous classes already you have studied how to represent the natural number, whole numbers, integers on the number line. Now we will discuss here how to represent the rational number on the number line. We take example. Suppose 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 3, 5 by 2. These are minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 5. These are some rational numbers and we represent these rational numbers on the number line. First we take 1 by 2. 1 by 2. How to represent 1 by 2 on the number line? Suppose this is a number line and this is the 0. As you know that all positive numbers lie on the right side from the 0 and on the left side all negative numbers lie. Since we take at the same distance, suppose this is the 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on, and on the left side this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. First check 1 by 2 is proper fraction or improper fraction. Proper fraction means those fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. This will be improper. Numerator is greater than denominator, then this will be improper. And if numerator is less than denominator, then this will be proper fraction. That means this 1 by 2 rational number is proper. That means since 1 by 2 is less than 1, 1 by 2 is less than 1. That means first we check that fraction is less than 1 or greater than 1. That means if that number is positive, then this will be greater than 0, and negative, then this will be less than 0. But 1 by 2 is positive, so this will be greater than 0. But 1 by 2 is less than 1, that means 1 by 2 lie between 0 and 1, because 1 by 2 is greater than 0 but less than 1. That means 1 by 2 lie between 0 and 1 in the positive direction. But where? Between 0 and 1, 1 by 2 lie on which place? For finding the actual location of 1 by 2 between 0 and 1, divide the 0 to 1 in two equal parts. That means what is the denominator of that fraction? Divide the whole number, that means from 0 to 1 in equal to denominator. That means here denominator is 2. So divide 0, 1 into two parts. That means this is the 1, this is the 2. And take from the left side, that means from the 0, how many, what is its numerator? Numerator is 1. So we take numerator, that means one part from 0, means this is the 1. So this position will be 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 on the number line lie between 0 to 1, and this will be on the mid of 0 to 1. Now we want to express minus 3 by 5. That means this is the second question. Minus 3 by 5. Since first check this number is positive or this number is negative. Since this number is negative, so position of this number lie on the left side from the 0. That means suppose this is a number line, and this is the 0. this is the minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. And this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, and so on. Since minus 3 upon 5 is negative, so this will be lie on the left side from the 0. That means this will be lie on this side. And since the denominator of this number is greater than 3, that means this is less than minus 1. This is less than minus 1. That means minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 1. If denominator is greater than numerator, then that number will be always lie between 0 to 1 or 0 to minus 1. If that number is negative, then this will be lie in the between 0 to minus 1, and that number is positive, then that number lie between 0 to positive 1. Since this number is negative, so this will be lie on the left side from the 0, and since this number is also less than minus 1, therefore this number lie between 0 to minus 1. But where? For finding of this, first 0 to minus 1 divide into 5 equal part, means equal to its denominator. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part. We divide 0 to minus 1 in 5 equal parts and take 3 parts from the 0. That means 1, 2, 3. This position will be minus 3 upon 5 on the number line. Now we take 4 upon 3 or minus 5 by 2. We take a third 4 upon 3. First thing, check this number is negative or positive. So since this number is positive, so this will be lie right side from the 0. That means if you draw a number line here, then this is the 0 and this is the 1, this is the 2 and so on, and on the left side minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Since 4 upon 3 is positive, so position of this number lie on the right side from the 0. First thing will be decided. Now this number is improper because numerator is greater than 3. That means this is greater than 1. This number is always greater than 1. So first change this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. That means this will be right like this, 1 into 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3. That means this number 1 into 1 by 3 is greater than 1 but less than just next number. That means this will be less than 2. That means position of 4 upon 3 is greater than 1 but less than 2. That means this number lie between 1 and 2. So after 1, that means this is the 1, and between distance of 1 and 2 divide 3 equal parts. That means equal to denominator. That means 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So take one part from the 1. That means from the 1 take one part. That means this is equal to the numerator. That means this is the 1. That means this position means this number right side from the 1 but left side from the 2. That means this number is greater than 1 but less than 2. This position will be 4 by 3. Now last, take fourth number means minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. This is also improper because if left the sign, 5 by 2 is improper fraction. That means numerator is greater than denominator. So first we change this into mixed fraction, minus 2 to the 4 into 1 by 2. That means this number is negative, so this will be lie on the left side from the 0. If this is a number line and this is the 0, that means minus 1, minus 2, and this is the minus 3. Here 1, 2, and so on, and so on. This number is greater than 2, minus 2, but less than just after that number. That means this is greater than minus 2, but less than minus 3. So position of minus 5 by 2 lie between minus 2 and minus 3. This number tells us these number lie after which number, means these number after lie after the minus 2, means after minus 2. After minus 2 means left side from minus 2, and before the just after number means minus 3, before the minus 3. That means position of minus 5 by 2 lie between minus 2 and minus 3. Now minus 2 and minus 3 divide into two equal parts. That means this is the 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and take one part from the minus 2. That means this is the one part. So position of minus 5 by 2 on the number line here. That means this will be minus 5 by 2. Now in the next video we will discuss how to find the rational number between given any two rational numbers.